Hey, how's it going? Let's go over how to draw Shin Godzilla. We're gonna go through it step by step by step until we're done. Only gonna be like a 10-minute video, so stick around for the whole thing. If you're a beginner, this is awesome for you. You can either join along with me or you can just watch me. So either one is good. Let's get started. Gonna go right here to the top of, Godzilla Earth. Did I say Shin Godzilla? Godzilla Earth, forgive me. Gonna go up here for the brow area. Out over here front, out over here down, curve in, and his teeth are more external, like more external than normal Godzilla's. Up over here for the eye, curve, line up, line underneath. By external, I mean that, so bag into the eye, meaning he doesn't really have lips. A lot of other Godzillas have lips, but his is more like, he just doesn't really have them. Gonna go right here for the nostril area, very simple shape. Down over here, zigzag. Right there. Curl over here for the kind of bottom of the jaw, pull back. Back of the jaw. Bottom of the neck here. Adam's apple area. Curve right here. Out really big. Right there, really big out. Okay. Gonna go right here. Curve right here for more of the chest. Curve for the arm over here. Line over here for the kind of wrist to arm area. Line over here for the arm, elbow, over here, back of the arm, curve. So this version, I'm gonna pull that line down. This version of Godzilla is more about texture. Line up here for the hand, knuckle out, down, out, down, out, down, out over here, up, back over here to the palm, and we'll continue down the body here, but really it's gonna be like the upper body area. Let's go over here to the spikes, kind of mountain area right there. Line over here. Imagine mountains on his back, because that's kind of what that character was, right? There's a lot of mountains. And I always say that even with the other versions of Godzilla, so just kind of imagine like mountain rocks on his back. They get bigger. It's gonna go off the page over there. So like I said, one thing you really want to pay attention to is the texture. By the way, don't forget, if the stuff I do here is worth your time, please hit the like and actually follow the channel. Like when you follow a channel, it gives a huge, you know, like it's good for you. I post 3 times every single day, so it's absolutely worth it. But yeah, I do a lot of this stuff. So please do me a favor and do yourself a favor and absolutely subscribe. You know, like again, if the stuff I do here is worth your time. So thanks so much. All right, let's kind of keep going on this. Really the big meat of it here is it's going to be in the texture, okay? So when we look at this character, we think about like, okay, what's going on texture-wise? See, we can make the eye really dark this time, like totally dark. Line over here, curve, curve. Because he's made of rock, right? Line over here, thin lines over here around the teeth. Very thin, you just following the direction of it. down over here for the sternocleidomastoid. Sternocleidomastoid. Line right here. Let's go to the shoulder. And the shoulder right here has these muscle striations. Everything about them it looks like a big old plant. Let's go over here. I actually did some of that stuff off the page there, so. All right, we're gonna go over here. Line, 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 a lot of stuff's coming down. Right here, coming down. A lot of thin lines, pretty much. A lot of striations in terms of like direction, right? Right there. And let's go over here to the back area. You have more striations, right? Right here we have the kind of back, the scapula area. And literally it's just a lot of thin shapes in the direction of the general muscle, you know? Right here as well. And right here as well. We have a lot of stuff going on as far as the general muscle area goes. Gonna go over here and like you can draw this craggly stuff on the mountains. Really, it's just the direction. You can draw these thin kind of areas right here on the mountain there. If you really want to, you can draw the other side, and then you can draw the kind of inner, you can fill in some of this on the inner portion. Line over here, line over here. Just kind of taking a quick look at him and just kind of like, you know, observing this kind of change in his behavior, or sorry, behavior into his look. And you can kind of keep going with this. This guy's all gravel, like it's all, you know, earth, right? Guys, earth. He's all just straight up gravel and striations. I can draw more in here as long as it's in the same direction. More in here and things like that. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I will see you next time.
All right, and if you want to keep learning how to draw and keep pushing your skills, go right here to this video on here on this side. That video I put because it's the exact same theme as the video you just saw, and it kind of, I like it as a bit of a pair. So absolutely go check that out right now. Another short video.